This is the definitive guide to resolving your Poco phone's erratic Wi-Fi behavior and persistent signal drops. Having personally navigated this exact connectivity frustration and meticulously tested numerous approaches, I've identified several effective solutions that I'm now eager to share with you. We will explore 4 distinct methods, each targeting a specific facet of the problem to ensure a comprehensive fix. Method 1 focuses on foundational resets and software updates. Restarting your device clears temporary software glitches that can interfere with network communication. Toggling Wi-Fi off and on refreshes the connection attempt. Forgetting and reconnecting the network erases corrupted saved credentials, and resetting network settings provides a clean slate for all wireless configurations, effectively resolving many software-induced signal issues. Method 2 delves into deeper system-level caches and router interaction. Clearing Wi-Fi cache and data removes corrupted temporary files that might be preventing proper connection, while updating your router's firmware ensures it's operating with the latest stability improvements, addressing potential compatibility issues. Method 3 involves specific configuration adjustments. Disabling battery saver mode prevents the phone from aggressively managing power and potentially throttling network performance, and changing DNS settings can improve the speed and reliability of name resolution, thereby enhancing the perceived signal stability. Finally, Method 4 addresses more complex scenarios, including a security breach investigation to rule out external interference or malicious software which can manifest as unusual network behavior, and seeking professional assistance if all other steps fail, indicating a potential hardware fault within the device's Wi-Fi module. These steps are designed to systematically eliminate potential causes, from simple software hiccups to more intricate configuration conflicts, ensuring your Poco phone regains stable and robust Wi-Fi performance.